All right, so here we go. We want to create a note block for this because on our detail sheet, I renamed this, and you saw where I came down and renamed this before, right? I renamed it note block for construction details. And even though this is number 3, right, I want to start moving on to another number in this other detail. In this one, I want to start on number 4 so I can add a note for number 4, clean this detail up. So there's a couple of different ways I can do it. I think you saw before I cut and pasted it. That's an easy way. But I can also go down to the family list, and I can go to annotation families, and what am I looking for? Note family. And when I drag it out, it automatically goes to number 4. Now, if I click and put it there and click on that, you see how it picked up the note from the last one? I'm going to delete that information out of there because I don't want it to transfer to every one. And once I do that, it adds number 4 here, but I don't have any text associated with it. So what I'm going to do is add number 4, and then I'm going to copy or create similar, right? I could do either. It doesn't really matter. And now as I go down in the list, next to each one of these, I'm adding a note. And of course, people, I know you can see where we're going with this. And I'm not going to bore you to death and make you watch every single note. I'm going to do this half, and then you're going to do the other half too. And then we'll kind of compare them. Well, you'll compare them at the end. I'm going to just change this one to 5 and so on down the list, right? That's 6. And that's 7. And so on, right? And of course, good thing we had double digits, so that's going to fit fine in there. Okay, that's 13. And then I can come over here and pull this one over here. And I can say, copy that one there. And this one's going to be number 14. And again, when I go back to the list, you can see I'm going now. It's like, oh, why is that one number 14? It's because I added it, so I'm going to have to move some things up and down too, aren't I? So there's 14, and I'm going to pull him out there for right now, and then I'm going to go create similar, right? And that's going to be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So now I need to change those. And 16, whoops, 16. And part of the reason that I want you to see this is that you can make this as easy or as difficult for yourself as you want to, right? The way I'm doing it right now, so there's all mine, and then when I go back to this legend, my actual note block, look at how the rest of these got kind of messed up. So I got to try and move that down, right? And so by moving it down, I didn't mean to do that. Hold on a second. 4. Let me go back to my, oh, I deleted that one. That should be over here. And then I can create similar, another one over here. And then when I edit this one, I probably missed my 1 before. Now hopefully that'll fix me to where I need to be. Yeah, there I go. Oh wait, did it put it in order? No, it put it at the bottom. So I got to move that one at the top. So I'm not sure why it keeps doing that and putting all the other ones in order. Let me close this and then open that note block again. See if I can get that to fix on its own. Let's see. No, it's got 14 at the bottom.
And I'm not sure why it's got it at the bottom and not in order, but I'll figure that out in the next few minutes. I want you guys to go ahead and get your numbers set up that way. Hopefully yours won't do that. You won't make the mistake I did. I'll go ahead and fix it, and then I'll show you how I fixed it in the next video, okay?